Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. This is a bit of an update on the dollhouse. I say the next thing I must do is the stairs, but I'm struggling with the stairs because I can't put in normal stairs like this. I try to, there's not enough space, especially here I don't have enough space. So the best steps that will work is like spiral steps. So I'm going to make spiral steps, but my husband is going to help me, so I'm going to leave that for now. The stuff I have in mind is like this little delve stick. It's long because I'm not really going to use the steps, but I can't just put nothing here. And I don't want to, like I said before, I don't want to put the lift in because it's not normal in our houses. Our houses have stairs rather than lifts. And then what I'm going to use for the steps is a fan. This plastic side here, I wanted to go for this wood one, but I couldn't get enough. I only could get 2 of them, so that won't be enough for all the steps, because I'm going to paste 2 together. So yeah, this is I've already did it here with some of them. I pasted 2 together, so the idea is to make spiral steps with that. So that is how I'm going to use the fan, is that piece there for the steps. And then you won't believe that I'm going to use the material of the fans for clothes for the Barbie dolls. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. I've got all my stuff here, but I'm not going to do anything about the stairs now. I'm going to wait for my husband. He must help me. I've got now the measurements of the area I must leave open for the stairs. It must be almost the same as this one here. So I'm going to start with the lapa now. That means I'm going to have to take off everything here on this side. This whole piece I must take off. I'm just going to put it on top of that one there, and it will be fine there. And then I can start working at my lapa. So yeah, like I always say, let's get started. Okay, so now everything is empty. There's nothing inside here. I'm going to take off this wallpaper here. Obviously, this stick will come off here. Side. Don't think I'm going to use that. And then, like I say, I'm going to have to take the screws out to get the paper out neatly and see what I can do by the door. I'm still, well, actually I'm not still deciding on the backsplash. I'm going to put this tile. I'm going to put for the backsplash. I just hope I have enough because it's been cut now. So let's put that. Yeah, for this I'm going to put that on top. And this one. And then I must try. Yeah. And then with this one I must work out these for them. So yeah, I'm going to use this for the backsplash, and then I must still find and decide the right paper I'm going to use here. So my idea is just take out all the stuff and my idea is I want to put here like a fireplace with, and where you can put there's a fireplace and a little TV with a little lounge area around here, and then here I want to put a bar, and here like the barbecue area where they're gonna have their braai in the side here. So then this side here can be open still for the door and obviously for the stairs. So I hope we're going to fit everything in, because I think the area for the TV and fireplace and the living room area is going to take up the most space. I'm going to try like in the marks here, stay in that marks like the braai, the bars in here. There will be enough space if I can put a bar. If I put a chair here, I will see. And of course here the barbecue and also a lounging area. Because I've got this idea, the next idea as well. It's because I've got this drawer here that I'm gonna use the whole drawer. Just gonna need something to lift it so it can be the same height as like the wheels here. But this is going to be my swimming pool area. So still I'm gonna have my barbecue area here and then my swimming pool area. I'm not sure if I'm going to use, actually the swimming pool came with Kylie, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use the swimming pool or something else or built in a swimming pool. I will still see about that. I think I'm close to that idea. But then I can put a swimming pool like for instance maybe here and put steps down, and then the lounging area can be here, or another lounging area maybe with a little bit of garden or something. But that's the idea. So this is also going to be part of the house as the swimming area. I mean, you must have a swimming pool. So yeah, and when I'm finished, I just close the drawer, but I must create the stuff like I can put it away afterwards. Now the door, close. There you go. So when you finished, close the door, and yeah. So yeah, that was just a quick update on my dollhouse. So my lapa is next. So if you want to see more and see how I built a real South African lapa, or like you say a barbecue area or a deck area or whatever, this is my lapa. So if you want to see how I build this, push that subscribe button if you're new to this my channel, and yeah, pull that little bell for the notifications, so you get notification every time I load up a video about this house, and you can build the house with me. So until next time, bye. Don't forget to like.